Hello, Brick Front Properties and Construction. So we just got this house last week. We did all the demo already, cleaned it all out. Now we've got the electrician here and the plumber here. So we're gonna rerun new pipes throughout the house. New hot and cold drain pipes. And then take out all these old pipes, put all the new ones in, new couplings. Okay. So take out all the old copper. Plus there's a lot of leaks here and stuff like that. So this gives us more of a insurance that everything's gonna pass inspections and no questions with the old pipes. Okay, so here we're replacing the 2.5 inch pipes, water pipes, 1.5 inch pipes as well. The toilet pipes over here. Okay, now we're running the electric wire for the recess lights to go in. And the chimney guy's supposed to come today. So look at the chimney. All right, and then going upstairs. So they've already ran some wires here, doing the roughing. So I had the duct guy come put a duct here, a return. Put a return here, then we're gonna frame it out and put a closet in here. Hallway, so we're gonna put 3 recess lights here, 3 recess lights going down here, laundry room, bathroom, bedroom. Each bedroom will get 4 recess lights and a ceiling fan. Bedroom 2, 4 recess lights and a ceiling fan. Take out the rest of the debris. Okay, I didn't realize how much trash is in this damn house. Okay, so working on that. Okay, the bathroom, took the tub out and everything. The toilet, the vanity is gonna go here. New light, new exhaust fan, recess light, new tub, ceramic tile, Joe Rock, and got new pipes coming in here. So both bathrooms are getting totally roughed in. And master bedroom, 4 recess light, ceiling fan, new doors, new window, master bathroom, new flange, new pipes, new hot and cold, drain pipe for the tub. Okay, it's an easy job. All right, so making progress. Brick Front Properties and Construction. We've been doing this for a very long time. So we're contractors. I'm a home builder, but also, I do work for other people, investors, realtors, insurance companies as well. So if you guys need any work done, HVAC, plumbing, roofing, windows, we do the whole thing. Give us a call. The website is brickfrontproperties.com. We're a real estate value add company, and we're more than happy to take a look at your project and provide an estimate on what we can do for you guys. All right, Sid Hamid with Brickfront Properties. Talk to you later. Bye bye. Week number 2.